too hard. You stared at me right in the eyes, cat to the side. My type of guy, he gave me chills as soon as he came. I felt so scared like there was a hurricane. He didn't glance away, nope, not at all. Nah, I'm the only one he saw. Attractive he was, and so polite. Gently took my hand, asked what I'd like. I said a drink, he says, yeah, what you think? I want a shot, well I had a lot. But just so you know, I'm not a piece of ass to go. I'm not that girl, I can take things slow. Can't believe love at first sight. But like Monica, I don't get down on the first night. Can't believe love at first sight. But like Monica, don't get down on the first night. That's right. That's right. Hey, so you know, so we grabbed the drinks, walked away laughing. Wait, forgot to mention was a coach and a captain. So we started dancing, then it started raining. 20 minutes later, then his voice came. Couldn't complain, my life was going good. He asked if I had a man, if not I should. I definitely could use some company. Someone to hold, someone to comfort me. To make a story short, we became a pair. Whoever he was, I was right there. He never cheated, I never cheated. We didn't need it, cause we were completed. We were in love, we were in love. Can't believe love at first sight. But like Monica, I don't get down on the first night. Can't believe love at first sight. But like Monica, I don't get down on the first night. That's right, that's right. So you know what? Everything was going so good with me in the sky. So we decided to go home for a couple months. And then come back. Just got home from a long trip. Then I hear right through my window, soaring through a brick. I'ma catch that prick on a brick. There was a note attached to it. It says Sicilian kiss. You're a fucking bitch. I dare you take my man. We have a daughter. That guy that you're with, he is a father. We're still together. You shouldn't even bother. I seen him online. I typed him a message. Said you better answer in 5 seconds. Are you still having sex with your ex? Received a text that said your next. I got online, sat down to recline. Called the cops, taking my time. Shut the door behind. Told them my story. They say there's something they can do for me. Man, great. Now I'm on a mission. Then I heard a noise coming from the kitchen. It was a little girl. It looked like my boyfriend. She says, help me. Got her attention. We're so confused. Turned on the news. Took on the child. Said she was abused. Now 911 said, please hurry up. Cops arrived. What a disaster. They looked at this picture. Said, this is who we're after. It turns out my man was a serial kidnapper. Wow. I can't believe this just ain't right. Thought it was love at first sight. I can't believe this just ain't right. I thought it was love, yeah, at first sight. Yeah, you motherfuckers ain't give a shit at first sight. I said at first sight. I'm bugging out. That's my jam. That's some old school 90s shit. You don't know shit about that.